Hello everybody, and welcome to Abdel's Home Cooking. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a chicken parmesan stromboli. What you see are the ingredients we're going to be using for this dish. First we have Pillsbury pizza crust and a four cheese pizza blend, which consists of mozzarella, provolone, parmesan, and romano. Next we have pizza sauce, cut grilled chicken, which I've seasoned with my own special blend, a little egg wash, and seasonings such as garlic powder, onion powder, pink Himalayan salt, Italian seasoning, and ground black pepper. Now before we begin, and be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment down below of what you want to see next, and share my video and channel with others like friends and family, to keep the channel growing. With all that said, let's get started. Okay, first let's set up our dough. First, you get a piece of parchment paper. Then remove the dough. Then remove the crust from its packaging. Now you might want to hear a slight popping sound, like that. Remove from the canister. Roll out flat, like so. Next, we pour on some tomato. We pour on some pizza sauce. And spread it around like so. Next, we sprinkle in some four cheese blend. Then we add in our chicken. Then we add our chicken on like so. Sprinkle on some more cheese. Sprinkle on a little more cheese on top. Next, we roll. First you fold the sides, and roll. And fold them in like so. Next we bring our Strombolli into a baking sheet like so. Next, brush on egg wash on top and sides of the Strombolli. Next, we sprinkle on some onion powder. Then the garlic powder. Then we sprinkle on Italian seasoning. Then the salt. Then the pepper. Next, using a pair of kitchen scissors, you cut slits. Some slits on top of the dough, so the inside in the Strombolli can cook and melt. Then we transfer the Strombolli to our oven, preheated at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Then we leave it on. Then we leave it in there for 16 minutes. No, make that 18 minutes. Alright, the Strombolli's done. Now let's take it out of the oven. Now use them rough. Now use them. You have to carefully remove the tray from the oven. And place it on top. And let it cool. Let it cool for a few minutes before serving. And then, everyone, is how you make a delicious chicken Parmesan Strombolli. Golden brown crust, cheesy gooey inside, and a little fresh delicious chicken. And that's going to be everything for today's video. Be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, comment down below what you want to see next, and share my video and channels with others to keep the channel growing. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bon appetit.